So now let's start with the method for concentration of ore. Now mainly four methods are available. One by one we'll start. Now first one is hydraulic washing. Now from the word it is clear that hydraulic means involvement of water. Now let us consider I have set up one device for understanding point of view. In one large container it is filled with the water, and here water is in continuous current form. That means from one end continuously water is supplied and from another end water is removed. Now when we have the material containing ore along with the earthly containing or unwanted earthly impurities like sand, clay, pebble, etc. or whatever the hydraulic washing is available, here first principle is involved. Now this is based on principle of difference of gravity. That means difference of relative density of ore and gangue particle. For example, if I have added that mixture into the water, say for example, ore particles are very much heavy. Due to gravity, they are settled down at the bottom, and whatever the lighter gangue particle, they are floating on the surface. So when water is continuously moving from one end to another end, lighter particles are on the surface. Easily with the continuous current of water they are removed, and so whatever initial ore containing impurity, the level of impurity decreases, we can say ore is concentrated. So that is technique number one, hydraulic washing. Number two, second is another common technique on industrial aspect, that is magnetic separation. The word is clarified, it is on the basis of magnetic property of particles. Now in this case, if ore and gangue both are non-magnetic, we cannot use. Both are magnetic, still we cannot use. But in selective case, if ore particles have magnetic property, in that case it is more commonly used technique. Now let us consider this is one conveyor belt and it is fixed with the two wheels. This is one movable wheel, another movable wheel that is made up of magnet, that is magnetized effect. When we have the ore powder or we have very fine powder containing ore with the impurities such as gangue, so when they are moving, now magnetic particles are attracted by the magnet, and as a result they are attracted, so they are collected nearer to this magnetic zone. Whereas whatever the gangue particle, they are not magnetic, they do not have a magnetic attraction, and they are moved away from this particular magnetic wave. And as a result, by magnetic technique, we can separate out gangue particle, so overall ore is concentrated. So after these two techniques, we can go for most important 2-marker question for subjective part of board exam, that is Froth rotation technique in the next part.